Do you feel like you've tried almost everything to figure out what is causing your symptoms, but feel like you're still stuck and not getting anywhere? This happens to a lot of women. Think about all of the time that you have spent so far going to doctor's offices, the time spent away from your family or your work, or the time that you've spent getting tests done, and after getting all these tests done, you still haven't gotten any answers. You are not alone in feeling this way. The reason that a lot of women struggle to figure out what is happening to them is because somebody doesn't sit down and piece all the puzzle pieces together of their symptoms to try to figure out what the connection is between the symptoms and what the root cause is of the symptoms. So a lot of times I have patients that come to see me that have been to multiple doctors. They've spent months, sometimes even years, going to various health centers. Some have even traveled to places like the Mayo Clinic, the Cleveland Clinic, to try to figure out what is happening to them. But nobody has really spent enough time with them to really understand their symptoms or has ordered the correct kind of test to really get to the root cause of what is happening inside of their bodies. So if you have felt this way, if you have felt like you have gone through and spent so much time, like you've spent so much money already on seeing doctors and getting tests done and trying to figure everything out, you are definitely not alone. One of the things that I wanted to also show you in this video is an example of some of my patients that have come to see me and their testimonials for how well the system that we have here works.
It's such a partnership and it's such a collaboration that it really is uniquely tailored to you and what your body needs. And that's something that you're not going to find anywhere else. I feel like the traditional medical model is very much you fit the diagnosis code, you fit the book, here's the script, or they just tell you to do better, eat better, sleep better, exercise more, without telling you how or in a way that you can actually cause harm to yourself if you start an intense workout plan right away. So with the entire program that Carolina offers at her practice, you really feel as though you have a team with you to ask questions to. And I feel like that's empowering as opposed to just, that's just the way it is, take this to make it go away. She actually works with you to figure out how you can heal and really work to improve.